roads we choose in life shape our world. Therefore, we travel. Some people think that writing is about freedom, gasoline, speed, adventures, and taking you where life leads. The truth is more simple than that. It's about fun. The state of mind generated by constant movement is our return. The wind in our faces leaves us no alternative but to live in the moment. No future, no past, no destination. We're not looking to be the perfect writers, but to know the perfect spirit of writing together. We're not dreamers. We design, we build, and we ride. These things don't come from thoughts. They come from life. They are life. Knowing that time is the most valuable thing we have, and it only moves forwards. This is your life. Know it while you have it. Never ride like someone else. Listen carefully to yourself, and the choice will be clear. See the world around you.